Care for your bridge's dental health is vital in order to ensure its long-term performance. No matter if you've just purchased a dental bridge or used one for a long time, taking care of it properly is vital in order to keep any issues from arising or problems. In this short video, we'll discuss a variety of techniques and tips on how to care for the dental bridge you have. 1. Regular brushing and flossing. Similar to your teeth in the normal way, dental bridges require regular cleaning and flossing to ensure it is clean and to prevent the buildup of food particles, plaque, or. Utilize a toothbrush with a soft bristle and non-abrasive toothpaste. Scrub your bridge the normal teeth. Flossing is vital to wash between your teeth and under the bridge to help prevent tooth decay or gum diseases. 2. Use a water flosser. As well as regular flossing, using water flossers can aid in the cleaning of difficult-to-reach parts of your dental bridge. Water flossers use an influx of water that removes dirt and plaque from within the teeth and surrounding the bridge. This provides the most thorough cleansing than traditional flossing by itself. 3. Avoid hard foods. To avoid damage for your bridge, you must avoid chewing on hard items such as ice, nuts, hard candy, or popcorn kernels. These can place an excessive amount of pressure on the bridge and could cause it to break or break loose. Use softer food items or cut hard foods into smaller, less manageable pieces in order to safeguard your bridge. 4. Avoid sticky foods. Additionally, foods that are sticky like taffy, caramel, chewing gum, or taffy should be avoided because they may become stuck between teeth and the bridge, creating plaque, which could lead to the possibility of decay. Consider healthier options for snacks that are simpler to scrub off of the bridge and ensure its integrity and cleanliness. 5. Regular dental checkups. It is vital to see your dentist frequently for examinations and cleanings in order to check the overall health of your bridge as well as overall dental general health. Your dentist can evaluate the state of your bridge and clean the plaque that has accumulated and fix any issues before they get more severe. They can also suggest changes or repairs for the bridge in the event of need. 6. Use a mouthguard. If your tooth is a source of grinding frequently at evening or play contact sports, wearing an oral guard can protect your bridge against damage. It can cause unnecessary pressure on your bridge, leading to wear and tear in the course of time. Additionally, sports-related injuries may cause the bridge get loose or be dislodged. A customized mouthguard could provide extra safeguarding for your dental bridge even when you sleep or participate in activities. 7. Watch for signs of problems. It is vital to be alert to any sign of problems in your dental bridge, for example, discomfort, sensitivity, as well as swelling and the feeling of being loose. If you are experiencing any of these issues, you must seek out your dentist as soon as possible for a consultation and treatment. If you ignore any potential issue, it can cause more severe complications later and might require more extensive procedures to rectify. With these helpful tips and techniques for maintaining the dental bridge, you'll be able to increase its durability and function in the future. Make sure you practice proper oral hygiene habits, get regular checkups with your dentist, and pay attention to your diet to help protect your bridge's dental health and maintain your dental health and gorgeous.